Did you know that amending a divorce petition can prevent future complications? Common reasons include errors or changes in requests. It's crucial to amend before your spouse responds to avoid needing their consent or a court order. If your spouse has already responded, you'll need their consent or a court order to amend. This step is vital to ensure your divorce process remains smooth and efficient. To amend, fill out a new petition for divorce, FL 100, and mark it amended. Be clear and specific, especially when updating requests about children, support, or property. Consider a client who initially waived spousal support but later needed it. By filing an amended petition, they successfully updated their request without issues, illustrating the importance of clarity. If your spouse hasn't responded, serve the amended petition as you did the original. If they have, service rules vary by county, so check local requirements. After serving, file a new proof of service, FL 115. This step is crucial to ensure the court acknowledges your spouse's receipt of the amended petition. Filing an amended petition doesn't restart the 6-month waiting period. Once accepted, proceed with financial disclosures and judgment paperwork. If your spouse doesn't respond, consider requesting a default judgment. By amending your petition correctly, you'll avoid delays and ensure a smoother divorce process. Visit divorce661.com for expert assistance and a free consultation to keep your case on track.